Hi, boys and girls. This week in math, we're talking about shapes, but not just regular shapes like this flat triangle or this flat square. We're talking about three-dimensional shapes. So let me show you what I found. I found this. What do you think this shape is? I know that it has a square shape on each side. Those are called faces, kind of like this face. It's on the outside. It's a square face, but it has them all around on every side. Do you know what this shape is called? It's a cube. Say cube. This shape is a cube. It's the same on every side. Every side is a square. This shape is solid and it can stack. I could put more cubes on top. It doesn't roll, right? I can push it, but it doesn't roll. It's solid, it's a cube, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, 6 faces. Here's another shape. Now it's not just a circle because it's three-dimensional, right? It has sides all around it. But this one's different from the cube. The cube had faces that are flat. Is there anything flat on this? No, there's no faces. This shape is called a sphere. Say sphere. Sphere. It looks like a circle, except it's round, it rolls, and there are no faces. You can't stack spheres. They would just roll off of each other. There are some other shapes I want to talk about. Now this one, I couldn't find something around my house that's this shape, but you might have seen something like this, maybe like a birthday party hat, or like one of those orange things that you see on the street if there's construction. Do you know what this is called? It's a cone. Say cone. A cone kind of looks like a triangle, except you can turn it. It takes up space, right? It's three-dimensional. You can see all around it. So this is a cone. There's another shape I want to tell you about. I hope you can see this. It's clear, but I think you can. This is a cylinder. Say cylinder. Good. A cylinder, it sort of looks like a rectangle, except it's what? 3D. That means you can see all around it. If I turn it, you can see that it is circular like this when I turn, right? But it's not solid. It just keeps going up, okay? This is a cylinder. Now, in my house, I was thinking, I wonder if there are any shapes that are like this in my house. I wonder if I can find any cubes or any spheres in my house. So I took a look around. Let me show you what I found. I was looking for cubes and I found some boxes. This is a little jewelry box. It's kind of like a cube because I can see all around it. It has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it's not quite a cube because some sides are rectangles and some sides are squares. So it's pretty close, but it's not exactly a cube. Look at the difference. This one, all the sides, all the faces are squares. This is a cube, but this is pretty close. I couldn't find any other perfect cubes around my house. I found this other box, kind of like my jewelry box. It's not exactly a cube, but it is 3D. It's pretty close. I did find a sphere in my house. Do you have one of these at home? So if you have an orange, this is a good example of a sphere. You can roll it, right? It doesn't have any faces. There's nothing flat. And can't stack it. It just rolls right off. Cubes you can stack. I wonder if you could show me a picture of any spheres or cubes that you find around your house. I wonder how many you could find. Send me a picture of all the cubes and spheres that you see at your house.